Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Real Hacker. Today I'm going to talk about the operators in C programming language. In my previous video, I'll show you what are the three operators in C programming language, arithmetic operator, relational operators, and the logical operators. In my previous video, I'll show you how to work with the arithmetic operators in C programming language. Uh, Today I am going to show you in this video how to work with relational operators. Okay, let's start our relational operator. Okay, I'll show you what are the things in there. In relational operators, we use the symbol and the greater than mark and the less than mark and the greater than and equal mark, then less than and equal mark. These are the symbols and these are the operators used in relational operator. Okay, let's see what are the things we can do from this uh, two equal marks. We can check first value is equal to second value. We can check first first value is equal to second value. From this greater than symbol, we can check first value. First value means first one is greater than second one. Then from this smaller than means less than mark, we can means we can check first one is less than or less than second value. Second value means second one. Okay, from this greater than and equal symbol, we can check first one means first value is greater than or equal second one. Then from this less than mark, we can check first value means first one is less than or equal to second one. Okay, then you can see these are the relational operators in C programming language. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to use that relational operators in C programming language, and I'm going to do my codings. Now I put the less than mark, and I change them. Okay, for this I put greater than and equal. Greater than and equal. This is fourth one. Then I put the less than and equal 5 and 5. I'm going to put that I'm going to give that new values, okay, for those conditions. Okay, I give that new values for those two conditions. I put a equal 5 and b equal 20. Okay, then I have to put that return 0, and this is the code. I put that two equal marks, and I put that greater than and less than, and greater than and equal, less than and equal. These are the uh, operators that we use in relational operators. Okay, now I'm going to run this code. First I have to save this file as a C file, then get command line. I save that file in my desktop. I go to desktop, then I'm going to compile my code. gcc compile. I save my file as 1.c. Okay, there is no error. Let's compile. Head over gcc 1.o, not 0, it's o. Then I have run my file. Type an, put enter. Okay, this is the result of my code. I'll show you what are the things on there. Okay, okay, now you can see first condition. If a equal b, not equal b, it is false. Condition is false. Then a is greater than b, that condition is true. Second condition is true. A is less than b, it is false. Condition is false. Then I give you two values. To a I give 5 and to B I give 20, and first condition is A is greater than and equal B. A is not greater than, is less than, because A is 5 and B is 20. Condition, that fourth condition is false. And the fifth condition, A is less than B, yes, that condition is true. I think you can get the idea about those relational operators, and you can see that result. Okay, thanks for watching my video, and if you have any problem, you can put them in my comment section. And you like to watch like those videos, you can subscribe my YouTube channel. And next video, I'm going to show you how to use logical operators in C programming language.